Morning, Bill here with the Metals Minute. Today is Wednesday, March 30th, 2022. There's a lot happening this week. Over the weekend, we have an article, and we mentioned it on Monday's Metals Minute, but stuff is already taking off with the announcement of energy for rubles or gold. 10 million euros have already been exchanged at the Russian National Bank to purchase rubles to buy energy with. And this is just the first of the trickle has begun, but those that purchase them first will be buying the cheapest energy of anyone, because the ruble is fixed for now at a certain rate to a gram of gold and to oil and gas. However, it's not a fixed rate how much other fiat currency is needed to purchase a ruble. And so as this announcement has come out and people are beginning to, nations and entities are beginning to purchase rubles to buy energy with across Europe, the value of the ruble has almost regained all that was lost when the sanctions began. So that means that those that purchase first will be buying cheaper energy than those that hold out and wait and see how it falls out and then try to buy rubles later. So it's almost like another Bretton Woods by decree from the president of Russia. So this is also helping gold. And silver. There was a tremendous smash down, tamp down operation due to options expiry the last couple days. But that momentum has already turned back around, and gold and silver are climbing back up, also the other two metals. However, I believe going forward we want to keep an eye on gold and silver as the lead horses. And the reason I say that is we are also entering into a period of recession. We now have the yield curve on most U.S. Treasury Securities are entering a condition called inversion. The yield curve is becoming inverted for every maturity. And what that means is that longer dated money pays less interest than shorter dated money, or the yields are virtually the same. And that is a harbinger for recession, traditionally. And so, in spite of information you may see to the contrary, the biggest names in the business and those that have managed the largest bond portfolios say that we should ignore the chatter, ignore the noise. This is something that happens just before a recession. And we've written about that before, and as you may remember, a recession is an important ingredient for stagflation. The other one is inflation. We all know inflation is here. Recession is the other side of the stagflation coin, and that is what's needed to create this situation where the economy is slowing while prices are rising. That's called stagflation. It's not a pleasant place to live. It's not a pleasant economic environment, except for those that own gold and silver. Traditionally, during periods of stagflation and in the years immediately following, gold and silver have gone multiples higher. So while there's a lot of volatility from day to day, and we may see fluctuations, just be encouraged that the holdings that you have in physical precious metals are quietly becoming multiples of themselves. And that's without all the international events going on where they're trying to overthrow the world financial order. That is also helping to propel gold and silver. So hang on tight. It's going to be an interesting next few years, and we appreciate you tuning in, and have a great rest of your week. Thanks a lot.